Hello, my lovely audience members. Today we're playing Island Hop or some shit like that. Ah! No! Ah! 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 Okay, that's a bad start. Restart. I call a do-over. What? Ah! I'm usually good at this. This is so unfair. What? Ah! Rage! Yeah. 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 Oh no! I didn't land on it. 300 points right off the bat. Sweet. Yes! Yes! I'm going faster though. No! What? Oh, I beat my high score! Thanks for watching. This was a random— oh my god! Alright, this was a random This was a random video of me being retarded playing a game that's really fun but really stupid. Thanks for watching. That was my friend Taylor. He's going to be making a new series, 4 series. Watch that. Thanks for watching. Other words. Bye. Yes, you are. See you guys.